Glade Creek Trailhead. We're just kind of checking it out. We're gonna do like little maybe day hike, but you know, there's a campground here, and we're gonna check it out. I ain't too excited. We're just play around. You know, we're gonna walk until we get tired and head back. But come along with us. Let's check it out. So there's the trail. You can backpack it and all that. Then this has like a creek. This creek runs the whole length of the trail, I think. On down there's a bridge, and maybe at the 3-mile mark or whatever. There's a couple waterfalls and stuff. We're not gonna make the whole thing. We're just gonna kind of play around. Like I said, it's just kind of a day hike today. But I wanted to kind of check out some of the stuff at the Trailhead. I know there's a campground down here too. We got here, we had a little picnic. We just kind of sat there, had a sandwich, and parked over here. So the road coming in was a little bit crazy. It was just, you know, your typical West Virginia mountain road, and then it narrows and it just kind of follows the creek on the way in. So we're at the bottom of the little bridge. Pretty nice down here. I'll probably just sit here all day. It's right here in the parking lot. There's a staircase to go down here. We get some shots of the creek. And then there's like a little bridge over down to that too. We're down the bridge here. Pretty awesome that this trail just follows that creek. bunch of rocks were popping. Good trail. It's so far it's just all flat. Pretty easy. Shaded. Come on, my kind of trail. No elevation. Just flat. So far. So, like I said, like, ever since I found out about this trail, I always want to come down and do it. And they backpack it. And I definitely want to come back and try backpacking. So, when I first found out about it, was watching Adventure Archives. They was here like in the spring one year, and you know, they was basically jumping in the water and stuff like that. Man, oh, that was awesome. We was pretty close. About 40, maybe 40 minutes from near Gorge Bridge. So we're gonna just drive on down. Look at that right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go watch after some roots. There's a couple rocks here and there, and a couple of muddy places, but I mean, it looks awesome back here. It's really green. Ferns and stuff everywhere, but super easy. We've come it's a little bit away from the creek now, but I think it just meanders back and forth. So I'm thinking like about 3 miles or so down, there's a bridge that goes across. And if you follow all the way out, there's a waterfall at the end, but I'm pretty sure there's a waterfall here in the middle somewhere too. So I just took this little side trail. I just wanted to see if I was missing anything. Yeah, we kind of ran into this little campsite one time. What kind of mushrooms, you know?
I don't know. I get a picture so I can check it.
We need Andrew.
Huh?
We need Andrew.
We need Andrew, yes.
Little mud. Not bad. Just went through a bunch of mud, got wiped out, but found the waterfall, so I'm really happy about that. And, see if I can get in the water here, maybe. I love this trail, it's awesome. It is awesome. That's very beautiful. walk up this little trail just so I can get on view. Yep. So that falls, it was pretty awesome. On the way back, I may try to get to the bottom. There was a few people in there. They was swimming or messing around there. So just down the trail a little further. So pretty nice. You can see if maybe there wasn't another little falls. A lot of cascade. So down tree. We probably went a mile, maybe. A little over a mile, probably. Okay, so we went a mile and a half or so. Turn around. Then heading back out. I want to try to get some better shots of the waterfall. But you know that bridge, it's probably like 3 miles, I think. So I think there's like a campsite there too for backpacking. So that's something we might try sometime. I remember back down this way, but I mean, I really like this trail. I mean, no elevation. I love new elevation. That little waterfall spot, should have went in there on the way up because it's pretty busy on the way out. So maybe that'll give me a reason to come back someday. But it's a pretty cool spot. It's a pretty cool spot.